The blood flow is the fuel for an erection. When the veins are open, the blood circulates without barriers, ensuring potency and firmness, but when the vessels start to narrow, the erection loses strength and becomes increasingly unpredictable. First, occasional failures, then difficulties that seem to appear out of nowhere. Many men ignore the signs until the problem worsens. There is a natural and effective way to restore blood flow and enhance an erection. 3 simple exercises can unblock the penile veins, improve circulation, and bring back the vitality that seemed lost. None of them require medication or invasive procedures. The effect happens because the body responds to the right stimulus. The sooner these techniques are applied, the greater the benefits. If circulation is compromised, it is possible to reverse the situation. If it is still good, these exercises help maintain it for much longer. The key is how circulation affects men's health. After 50 regular practice and correct application, before continuing, check if you are already subscribed to the channel to follow content about men's health after 50. If you found this video useful, leave your like, so this information can reach more people. And I want to hear your opinion in the comments. Type 1 if you approve of the topic, or 0 if you have suggestions to improve the content. Your interaction makes all the difference. Blood circulation works like a supply system. When everything is clear, the flow happens without difficulties. But when there are blockages, the pathway becomes narrow, and the blood supply to the penis is compromised, since pen and arteries are smaller than others in the body. Any obstruction quickly impacts erection, reducing its firmness and duration. Small blockages may go unnoticed daily, but over time, failures start to become frequent. The blood follows a well-defined path before reaching the penis. It leaves the aorta, passes through top foods that boost blood flow. Naturally, the internal iliac artery, and moves to the internal pendle arteries, which supply the corporal cavosa. These structures function like sponges. When well irrigated, they expand and harden. If the flow is compromised, the erection loses strength or does not happen at all. That is why vascular problems are often one of the first signs that something is not right with sexual health. The positive side is that circulation can be improved with proper stimulation, just like muscles respond to training blood vessels. Also strengthen with the right practices. The combination of specific exercises, healthy habits, and some natural techniques enhances blood circulation in the region, promoting firmer and more consistent erections. Everything depends on small, routine cheat changes that, when applied consistently, make a big difference. If circulation is not at its best, the erection won't be. Either small blockages in the blood vessels can affect potency without you even noticing, but this can be reversed with simple and natural strategies in my digital book, Rediscovering Intimacy, Healthy Sexuality. After 60, you will find direct guidance to improve circulation, strengthen erection, and maintain an active sex life for longer. Everything is explained in a practical and accessible way. Access the link in the first pinned comment and discover how to regain your vitality with simple and effective changes. Now, the 3 exercises that release blood flow and strengthen your erection. The first exercise strengthens the pelvic floor muscles, which play a fundamental role in erection when these muscles are weak. Blood flow to the penis may be less efficient, compromising rigidity and erection duration. Kegel exercises solve this problem by strengthening the muscles responsible for keeping blood inside the movement protocols to stimulate daily circulation. Corporate cavosa, preventing it from quickly returning to circulation. A simple way to locate these muscles is by stopping the urine stream. In the middle of the flow, the muscle used for this action is the one that needs training. With this reference, the next step is to contract this area for 5 seconds, holding the tension, and then relax. For the same amount of time, ideally this cycle should be repeated 10 times in 3 daily sets. Besides improving erection quality, these exercises also increase control over ejaculation. Men who regularly train this muscle notice greater firmness during intercourse and higher resistance to stimulation The advantage is that the exercises can be done anywhere without anyone noticing. The key is consistency, like any other muscle. The pelvic floor needs regular training to maintain strength and ensure more efficient performance. The second exercise uses vacuum therapy, a technique that stimulates blood flow through negative pressure. This method is simple and effective in increasing circulation in the penile region, promoting tissue oxygenation and a stronger erection. The principle is similar to what happens when sucking a liquid through a straw. The pressure creates a vacuum that pulls blood into the corpora cavosa, expanding the vessels and improving irrigation. The procedure is performed with a device called a pineal pump, a cylinder that fits around the penis and creates a low-pressure environment. This forces blood into the tissues, increasing vascularization. Ideally, the device should be used for 10 to 15 minutes without exceeding this time to avoid discomfort. Some men also use a silic ring at the base of the penis after removing the pump, which helps maintain the erection for longer. Besides, breathing hacks that improve vascular health. Improving circulation vacuum therapy can also aid in restoring erectile function in men who have undergone surgeries or experienced extended periods without sexual activity. Regular use helps blood vessels adapt, making erections more spontaneous over time for better results. This practice should be combined with healthy habits and other pelvic strengthening exercises. The third exercise involves using a penile extender, a device that applies gentle and continuous traction to the area, stimulating circulation and promoting tissue adaptation. Unlike other methods, this technique not only improves blood flow, but also contributes to the elasticity of blood vessels, which can support firmer and longer-lasting erections over time. The traction generated by the extender creates small stimuli in the structure of the penis, prompting the body to increase blood supply to nourish the tissues. This strengthens the arteries responsible for transporting blood and improves the corpora cavosa ability to retain blood during an erection. Studies indicate that consistent use of the extender for 1 to 2 hours daily over a few months can bring benefits to both erectile function and vascularization in the area. It is essential to adjust the intensity correctly and avoid excessive use. The ideal approach is to start with short periods and gradually increase always. Herbal supplements for enhanced circulation. Respecting the body's limits to prevent discomfort. It is recommended to choose a model that fits the penis size and follow guidelines for aggressive use with patience and consistency. This method can become an ally in maintaining circulatory health and improving the body's response to sexual stimulation. If blood circulation makes all the difference in erection quality, taking care of it is essential. The 3 exercises you've seen here help release blood flow, strengthen the muscles in the area, and enhance the body's response. Small adjustments in daily habits can lead to significant improvements in vitality and performance. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried Keller exercises to strengthen the pelvic floor? Comment here and share your experience. Your participation enriches the content and helps more people facing similar challenges. And don't forget to leave a like. This not only supports the channel, but also helps more men access this information. If you want to dive deeper into the topic and discover other effective strategies for sexual health, check out the recommended videos here on the channel. There's plenty of useful content for you to apply in your daily life. If you're not subscribed yet, take this opportunity and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next